Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respectable viewers, I am Dr. Zamirul Hassan with the verse of the day of Holy Quran. Today we will recite Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 32. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم ولما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون. Know its translation. He said, O Adam, inform them of their names. And when he had informed them of their names, he said, Did I not tell you that I know the unseen aspects of the heaven, skies, and the earth? And I know what you reveal and what you have concealed. Now the translation word by word. Allah said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ya Adamu, O Adam, ambihim, inform them, bi asma'ihim, their names, falamma, so when, amba'ahum, he informed them, bi asma'ihim, their names, qala, then said Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Alam, did not I qul lakum, I said to you, Inni, indeed I, a'lamu, I know, ghaib as-samawati, unseen of skies, wal earth and earth, wa'alamu, and I know, ma tubduna, which you reveal, wama, and which kuntum taqtamun, you have concealed.